The accessories. The accessories are different applications that are included on Windows 8. Okay, most of those accessories are being present on many different versions of Windows. Okay, from Windows Me 2000 to Windows XP, Vista, Windows 7, and now Windows 8. They continue to apply, okay, to provide us with the accessories. The accessories is just small applications that are very helpful. Okay, now how can we display the accessories from here? Okay, basically on the start, I'm just gonna right click into the start screen, and on the toolbar, I'm gonna click on all apps. Okay, all the apps are gonna be displayed. So right now I'm just gonna be scrolling to the right hand side. I'm gonna be scrolling, and here's the Windows accessories. Okay, now we're gonna start with the calculator. One click into the calculator, and the calculator is just gonna open up. I mean, we could just, I mean, apply, see, basic, basic operations. Okay, 45 times 8, enter, and that's 360. You could click that, type in another number, 895 divided by 2, enter, and there's a result, etc. Okay, so we click on clear, 236 minus 235, 1. Okay, we clear that, and 125 plus 125 gives 250. Okay, now we have different views on the calculator. So this is just the basic, standard basic functions. Okay, we're not gonna get into a scientific because we are not gonna be using a programmer, statistics, history, or this group. Okay, but we do have the under standard. We also have the unit conversion. Okay, when we open the unit conversion from here, could you select? Okay, what do you want to use? Okay, let's say that I want to use the temperature. Okay, I'm gonna type in 100 100 degrees Fahrenheit, and this is gonna be converted to degrees Celsius. Okay, so 100 degrees Fahrenheit are converted into Celsius into 27.7 degrees. Okay, there's other options. I mean, we have the length. Okay, how about it? We say okay, a mile. Let's say 1 mile converted to a kilometer. How much is 1 mile? See, 1 mile into kilometers is almost 1.5. A little bit more than 1.5 kilometers. I type in 100 kilometers. 100 kilometers is going to be 100. I'm sorry, 100 miles. That's going to be 160.83 kilometers, and so on. Okay, we come back to Rio. We had the date calculation. Okay, so if I wanna let's okay, let's calculate the difference between two dates. Okay, so right here, let's say on the first one, I'm just gonna hit on. I'm gonna click on the 2003, and then click again, and now see this is gonna be displayed only by years. Okay, let's say that I wanna find out exactly what's my date, what's my date. So there's a year. Okay, June 12. Okay, June 12, 1967 to today's, which is December 28, 2012. Click and calculate, and I'm 45 years old, 6 months, 2 weeks, and 2 days. It's a total of 16,626 days. Okay, But if we come back to the view and then we have the worksheets, okay? Under the worksheet we have the mortgage. Okay, so let's say that you guys wanna acquire a house, okay? Let's say that the price is gonna be 400,000. Okay, let's say that we are gonna give a 3,000 down payment. Now normally the term of year is gonna be 30 years. And interest rate right now they're pretty low, so let's say that it's gonna be 3.1. Okay, now that we have all the data, this is gonna be calculated by monthly payments. Monthly payments will be okay 1,579. Okay, when you guys say more than 2 digits, just remember like on Excel, okay, we're just gonna go ahead and remove all the other digits and we only stay with two. So in reality it's gonna be 1,579 and 97 cents monthly payments. Okay, so it's that easy. Let's say that we want to pay the house in 40 years. Let's calculate, and the payments are gonna go down. Okay, let's go back to 30 years. Let's say that we're gonna give 50,000 in payment. Okay, and there's our payments. Doesn't make a lot of difference, so maybe 20,000 will be good for down payment. Okay. If we come back to view under worksheet, see we have the vehicle list, and then we have fuel economy and fuel economy by mileage and kilometers. Okay, but the ones that you guys probably gonna be using pretty much the basic unit conversion, which is very useful, calculations, the date calculations, and worksheets, maybe a mortgage payment. Okay, I'm gonna come back and display my calculator as a basic view. There you go. That's a calculator accessory on Windows 8.